To create our environment using a file, roll down to the instructions and follow this link here to our download center and download the spec file from this page here. I already did it and included the file in my desktop. Now we are going to open the Anaconda prompt, navigate to the folder containing the file, and copy and paste this conda create command here. Actually, I'm just going to change the name of the environment, as I already have an environment called Skoos 36, and just make it Skoods 36 test. So now you may be asked to confirm a few operations here. Just press yes during the processing, okay? Done. Now we can just activate the name of our environment. In my name I have the test word after Skoods 36, and our environment is up and running, ready to run our Python codes and connect to our simulation.